Yo, what's up, guys? It's Nick here with some raw day trading, and today I felt a little bit ill. I felt ill yesterday, that's why I didn't make a video. Actually, I didn't even trade. So, anyways, today back foot, like on my heels, fighting a little bit defense, but I still managed to come out with a decent 610 dollars. I was in and out really quick, probably within the first hour, if not less. Um, and let's get right into what it looked like. We had some leftover momentum from yesterday. Yesterday was bumping and moving and grooving, and a lot of people made a lot of money. And today I decided to stay in only as long as the momentum stayed fresh, and then after that I dipped out. I was like, I'm not gonna overstay. I'm not gonna I'm not gonna keep trying when clearly I've just been losing a good amount every time I try and make these attempts to keep on trading. Once that initial excitement dies down, the patterns just become uh, really they have to become patterns within patterns that you trade. So it already has to be moving, and then like the moves already happen, and so you don't get any really fresh moves. And anyways, that's just a little bit of ramble. I only have 30 minutes of footage today, so a really interesting low amount. So probably the first 30 minutes of dud. Although I was up a half an hour before, also looking at the screen, making some chart lines, and oh no, actually I don't start filming till late in the day. All right, well, Wafu's pushing here. I think it tops out right there. Just about. But it does do a lot of stuff down here. So now where could I have been like, I want to take that? What would make sense? That might make sense here. Let's see. This is just a review mostly for me. Reminder, day trading is risky. Most day traders lose money. This is not investment advice. I'm not an investment advisor. Don't look to me for answers. I am just a chicory boy right now. That's funny. Like, if you look at it here, it gets supported pretty nicely off the. It doesn't look that great right here, but it gets supported. You can see in the level too. Like it's pushing down. Gets supported there, so maybe you're in at 65 if you're lucky. I would not be holding much longer than this. Yeah, that's nice. Good opportunity for a little trade there. I think the way to look at it is okay. So you have this first test of five, $6 and $6.5, six and a half, $6.50, and it's gonna come right here. A nice big seller. Boom. Maybe you buy it right there, and you're like, all right. You'd be in again at 64 if you didn't take the risky position. Oh, okay, so how would I get in at the right position? What would be the right buy point? Even that's like a second too long. Second too early. Okay. Alright, I'm looking at this level 2 right here. And the chart too. Oh wow. Yeah, that went much higher than I thought. Not much higher than expected. But much I was waiting for a dip there. Now that's made a double top-ish thing. I find that it's best to look at level 2 only after I've decided a position that I want to get in at from the chart, for me personally. Otherwise, if I'm just trading off level 2, it's almost too easy to get faked out on. Oh, but I don't think I trade anything in here. And I'm getting bored here, which makes me think that it's going to go somewhere. Oh. If you notice the nature of the play, it's to make something look good and then to push it in the opposite direction. To make something look bad and then push it in the opposite direction until it looks good, and then make something look good and push it in the opposite direction until it looks bad. And you're going to see this sort of interplay hang out, happen quite a bit. Oh no, was there a point here where something looked good? I guess this right here, the support down there in the high 50s, look decent. It's getting tested here. Maybe in there for the break. Cutting right there. then it gets reversed. A bunch of dumb stuff like this stupid XLXN. I made money on here, but it's still a silly trade. It's just really low volume. Sometimes when it's lower volume like that, it does end up becoming easier to trade for me, just because I can see the tricks that are being played. There's less confusion and fog of war, which, you know, if you can get it good, while at the same time the risk of like bigger drawdowns from less liquidity is still there. Relatively 5,000 shares was not a lot. But yeah, I don't think I have any more meaningful trades here. Nothing really meaningful happens. SLXN actually ends up going a little bit later, but it doesn't really look obvious on the chart. I don't think I would have taken this. It's just pinning its head against 1110 a couple, or 110 a couple times. I'm just like, and so whatever. JTAI is going. I don't know. This is a little bit lackluster, but I'm getting out here and I'm doing it. So that's what happened today. That's what happened. Again, day trading is risky. Don't try this at home. It's a blood sport, as they say, knife in the dark game where you're just trying to stab everybody in the trickiest way. And so it's dangerous. So it's not advocacy for violence, yada yada. Day trading is risky. That's all I'm trying to say. Anyways, hope you all have a fantastic day. I'm going to call it here. Peace out.